In this tutorial, we will show you how to know Mac version. If you don't know which version of the operating system you are using, you can find it out in two ways. One is through the GUI, and the second is through the command line. First of all, click on the Apple icon, which is located on the top left corner of the menu bar, and over here, click on the About This Mac option. With that done, the new window will open up, and over here you can see the details regarding the operating system, including the version currently installed. Now let's move to the terminal to find out the version of the operating system currently installed. For that, we will use the command sw_vers and hit enter. With that done, you can see the product version being displayed over here. And that's it.